Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutor Point. Today in this video, we are going to cover revision test 3, section 2 guys. First I am going to start section 2 questions from 7th to 12th. Okay? Of 4 marks questions. Let's start. So from 7 to 12. Each question carries 4 marks. First one, find the roots of 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 by method of completing the square. Let's start. So section 2, 4 marks question guys. Find the roots of 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0 by method of completing the square. Okay. So first take down the quadratic equation. 4x square plus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay. So comparing with the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what is x square coefficient? With that divide with the given equation. Here coefficient of x square is 4, so divide by 4. Okay, now what we get? Okay, we get x square by 4 plus 3 by 4x plus 5 by 4 equal to 0. Now we have an identity, right? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, from that find b term. From that find b term students. So we have 2ab term, right? One formula 2ab equal to 3x by 4 students. This is a middle term. Okay. So we can interchange the terms. 2xb equal to 3x by 4. Okay. Now 2b equal to 3 by 4 students. Therefore b equal to 3 by 8. b equal to 3 by 8. Now in our equation, what it becomes? X square plus 3 by 4x plus 5 by 4 equal to 0. So adding and subtracting 3 by 8 whole square on both sides students. 3 by 8 whole square on both sides. So what we get? X square plus 3x by 4 plus 5 by 4 plus 3 by 8 whole square minus 3 by 8 whole square. Okay. Now x square plus 3x by 4 plus 3 by 8 whole square. Okay. Take this 5 by 4 to other part. Okay. Now if you simplify, you will get this is a plus b whole square formula students. Okay. This one if you simplify, we get 9 by 80 by 64. Therefore we are getting negative term. Okay. A square of the number cannot be a negative, right? Therefore roots does not exist for the given equation. Roots does not exist for the given equation. I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Okay. You can make a note of this sum students if you want. Thank you.